one I got new shipment. Look at this Echeveria. So beautiful. This one the first time I got it. You can see it look like diamond inside. Really nice color. I think this one have more sun, is more orange color. This one with the baby. I will check the price for this one. So I just unboxing. So I have many of them. I have 10. So some of them have babies, big one. So they are different price. So let me know if you want it. I will need to check the price. So I think no babies. But it look really beautiful. But this one, the leaf is look like crunchy. Lá giòn lắm cho nên cũng có thể dễ gãy nha. Nhưng mà mấy cái lá này thì mình có thể bứt nó ra. Từ từ nó sẽ full lại. Like this one. See the babies. So the leaf a little bit easy broken. I got some of them broken. Wow, this one double head. Double head. Many of them. Look at this one. This one have 2 leaf broken. Wow. Cái này á, bên trong nó có cái vân giống như là vân của kim cương vậy đó. Kim cương. Coi thêm cái này. Trồng lâu nó sẽ nổi cái vân giống như vân của đá kim cương. Trồng lâu cái này ship về cho nên nó có thể là nó bị lợt bớt. Nó gần giống như là cây sỏi kim cương. Compactum. This look like compactum. But this one Echeveria really big size. I think about 8 inch. It's beautiful. Look at it. Okay, I got more Yes Star. If you like it, let me know. This one 75 each. 75. I got more Sion, so pink. And this one new allium, really yellow. Look at it, really yellow. I got 5 of them. Forgot the name, but it's new one. Shinier, I think shinier. I need to check the name and the price. I got few of them. Use this one, chop head. Use 65. Oh, I got more ultra. Some the big size ultra variegated. Ooh, this one so pink. This one big size. So I have price from 110 to 130. So different size, different price. This one really big. Wow, half moon on the top. Pink and the baby inside. This one also have variegation. Ultra. This one really beautiful. This one 130. Many pink and half moon. This one 130. I have this one also many pink. But this one needs to give more sun to get more pink, deep pink color. And I got 3. This one is Teacup. This one the one I got the first time. This one Teacup. It's small. So many babies. teacup size. And this one is big size. So you can see the big head. And this one small head. Teacup. Ooh, this one, the variegation. This one looks like yellow. Yellow and pink. But this one many babies. I got many Sun God this time. Sun God, really yellow. See, ooh, very yellow. I got many this time. And many people ask me. This one I have price from 85 to 90. Depends on the size. So yellow. So yellow. When you grow it more well rooted, more yellow coming. So beautiful. I got more mystery chat. 75 each. This one 80. This one the biggest. This one 80. Big size. So I have different size, different price. But not sure this one. Cannot lift it up. So it's beautiful pink color. So like this one is 70, smaller. This one is 70. This one 80, bigger. And a little bit maybe in the middle is so it's from 70 to 80. I got more Elizabeth. Elizabeth now growing season, and this one's so young, so we don't see the pluck line. Elizabeth. This one's so yellow. I have 5 of them. This one. Ooh, dập đầu rồi. This one a little bit damaged. Ooh, this one yellow. Wow, this one beautiful. Many yellow one. Just unboxing. So I need to take time to organize them. Yeah. So this one have the hole here, but it's okay. It's all hole. Make a scar. All scar, it's okay. This one yen. I think I have 3 yen. 3 yen only. This one. Ooh. This time the lychee is so beautiful. I have 2 sides of lychee. Wow, this one's so beautiful. This one beautiful one. And this one, the mother head is full variegated. I have many lychee. I think from 85 to 100. 85 to 100. Different size, different price. Wow, this one full variegated. Most of lychee this time is beautiful. So beautiful. And I got this one also. I got only 3. So nice. I need to check the name and price. And I got Lucian. This one Lucian, really old and more pink. I have 5 Lucian. 5 of them here. Today I just show you the one I got. So I need time to bring the name and price and update video later. So this one Red Halloween. I got Red Halloween I think I have 9 of them. 9. I have 9. This one. This one, the big, very big lychee. Pink lychee. Pink color. Ooh. This one really nice. Chanel rainbow. But it's small size. A little bit small. So this one, $80 each. I think I have 5. I have 5 Chanel rainbow. This one is small size, but the variegation is so nice. Oh, I have only 4 of them. Chanel rainbow. Some small, some big, some small. This one's so tiny. Siyong. I got 2 Siyong. 2 Siyong. This one, oh, it's big and beautiful, but you see when I get it, oh, most of them separate the cluster. So sad. I need to check this one. See, the color is so beautiful, but need to see, haven't unboxed, but it's all of them separate. Not sure how to sell this one. I have super bang. This one super bang, big size and big leaf. Big size, big leaf. 155 each. 155. I think I have 3 and 1 more here. So it's 155. Firework, so huge. Now look at the firework. This one's super huge. Super nice color. Firework. This one's seaway. I got few seaway drawing season. So it looks a little bit different. This one seaway. This one also seaway. Seaway drawing season. Oh, this one beautiful. This one seaway. This one also seaway. I had 3 seaway only. And espresso for Tang San God, $90 each. Tang San God. I think many people ask for this one. I got many this time. Tang San God, Tang San God, Tang San God, Tang San God, Tang San God. I got rotate. Oh my God. So expensive, but it's broken a lot. Let me see. This one broken and small. This one broken one head, but it's still good. This one the biggest, but also some broken. Oh, I need to check. So I get Maggie. This one Maggie. So I got 2 different kind of Maggie. This one Maggie. This Maggie is deep color, but it's so yellow inside. I got the head inside here. So yellow. This one Maggie, and I have a special one. This one ultra pink Maggie. So Maggie and pink Maggie is different. Maggie is more deep color. This one pink Maggie, but it's ultra. You see the ultra, the variegation. You see, half and half. Oh, this one is so beautiful. So beautiful. So see, the pink and the green together. Ooh, this one Look like pink and green together also. This one I think is moving, so you put the little bit moving. This one really big size, so a little bit difficult to ship. The head is moving. Wow, this one's so special. And this one really big one. This one a pink Maggie, ultra pink Maggie. Have the ultra right here. Ooh. Variegation. Wow, this one beautiful. I got 3 of them only. With the rain. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. I got more peacock feather. This one big size. Really big. 150. This one big size 150. Ooh, one more yen. Yen with the pink color here. Yen. This one firework. But this one, some of them is moving. The big size, sometimes it's a little bit difficult to ship, so some of them is cracked, moving a little bit. So I need to take care of it. Big size, it's really big. No. Đi ra ngoài cho sáng hả? Purple delay. This one 165. Purple delay, variegated. This lychee, big size. Big size. This one pink Maggie. Oh, let me see. Pink Maggie, and this one also pink Maggie, ultra pink Maggie. So I have, they are the same pink Maggie, but this one ultra. Have the different variegation. This one pink Maggie, smaller, a lot smaller. So this one pink Maggie 85. Pink Maggie. This one is Maggie. Maggie is deep color, darker color. Pink Maggie less dark color. So you can compare this one. Maggie, pink Maggie, ultra pink Maggie. I got more bluebird. This time is really big size. All of them big size. I have 5 of them. 5 of them. Thang Sen God. This one Thang Sen God. This one 95. 95. Beautiful half moon. Thang Sen God. This one also. This one will be full variegated. This one 90. Thang Sen God. Ooh, this one also has half moon here. It's beautiful. This one 90.